Duncan from Auto Shine and Tinting, and a quick little walk around video for you today because we've got loads going on. And let's start with double trouble outside. Both of these Ferraris have got little stories behind them, so let's jump right in. Ferrari 458, let's start. So this car needs lots of love, which is why it's here. So it's been damaged of some sort. There's damage in the PPF, there's damage in paint. Certain things need painting. There's big dents on the wing, on the doors and stuff like that. So we've got to arrange bodywork to be done. There's lights on the dash. So we've got to arrange for our Ferrari partner, MDL Ferrari, to sort all that out. Then we're going to make it pretty. We're doing carbon PPF, getting rid of the stripe, and just making this car look lovely. It's actually a very low mileage car. It's only done 7,000 miles. I've got a lot of experience with Ferraris, so we're going to get it sorted. But might be a full video coming up on this car and what we do, so make sure you like and subscribe and click that bell thing and you'll get notified if we do a video on that. Let's move over to the 296. The 296 has an unusual story. So 8 months ago when the car was brand new, it went for PPF, and unfortunately there was something about a fire there at the PPF company, or next door to the PPF company I believe, and this car, although it's got no damage on it, they had to get it out mid-install. So like the PPF installation is like halfway through and it's not been finished. There's certain bits missing on it as well. So what we're going to do a really deep dive detail on it, so we know what we're dealing with and just get it looking new. The car's done like less than 100 miles, so it's incredible. It just needs some love, and that is why it's here. So let's jump inside. Can't jump straight into the workshop without missing our reception area. If you've not visited us, we've got everything on show here: demonstration units, wrap, PPF, detailing with the Geon coatings, the window tint. We also normally have Matt Armstrong or Harry's Garage videos on YouTube on show. So yeah, if you haven't visited us, we're always open, and we've got a very, very good coffee machine. So let's head into the workshop. First up, we've got this beautiful Belgravia green Range Rover. Possibly, no, it is my favourite factory colour that they do in the Range Rover. It's such a nice car. This has had full PPF. It's now just drying out, and then we're going to deliver it back to Land Rover in Shrewsbury, ready for the customer to take delivery on 2nd of March. So yeah, 2-3 weeks yet, so we've got this in plenty of time, but we're waiting for the new registration. Another Range Rover, this one, it's 2 years old, and the story here, the customer was going to change the car because he's a little bored of it after 2 years, and Land Rover wanted about £50,000 to change, so he thought, what is the point? Rightly so. We are changing the colour. We are doing a satin brown wrap on it, and satin brown might not sound amazing, but trust me, we'll put shots up on Instagram when this car's finished because it's looking incredible. Can't really show you because it's the other side that's done, so it looks a bit chaotic at the moment, but this car will look fantastic. Might put a finish shot if we got it in time on the video, so yeah, you might be seeing it right now. BMW X5M in what is the most incredible spec, this Army NATO green from the factory, must be individual, with tan interior. Come on now, with all the carbon, that is just unreal. It's having full PPF, it's been cleaned and decontaminated. It is now in here, it's having the patterns created for it upstairs. So what we do, we measure all the areas where we can wrap, because we want ultimate wrap by the millimetre. Wrap all the PPF round wherever we can. So the guys have done all that this morning. Then it's going to be full machine polish because it is a 2021. So she's done 1 or 2 miles, but not many. But it still needs polishing. So we're going to get that colour as perfect and glossy as we can. Then we'll protect it. Onto the Bentley. Interesting job this, and it hasn't gone to plan, so I'll share what hasn't gone to plan. It's having colour change PPF, not wrap like that. The vinyl wrap works perfectly in satin, but it looks a bit orange peely if you go in gloss. PPF, colour change PPF doesn't. It looks absolutely incredible. The problem we've got is we did warn the customer in advance. It's Inazatec, and they are a great product. We've used their products for over the years lots of times. The problem is they keep no UK stock, and it drives me absolutely insane. I need 2 more meters to finish this. I now have to wait for shipment from the US, and it can take 1-2 weeks. So it drives me insane, because a company this size with this quality should be having stock in the UK, but they don't. So this is going to look incredible. This one is having its own video because it's going to look so good. I know all the bumps are off at the moment. We'll explain all that in the main video. So yeah, click the bell, make sure you get notified when that video goes live. So this is a Chang'an Deepal S07. Every week we have a new Chinese car in that I didn't even know existed, but they all seem very, very good. They do look similar, but the quality is always good. And this one's a really nice deep metallic blue. It's having front end PPF currently installed, so it stays looking new. The customer's entire ownership, which will probably be 4 or 5 years, knowing this customer, because we've done a few cars for him. So yeah, on to the final car. BMW M3 in Yas Marina Blue, one of the great colours, just looks incredible. This has had the extended front PPF package on it with ceramic coating on the whole car, so probably the most popular package we do to protect these type of cars. So you've got PPF in all the vulnerable places, and then ceramic coating on the whole car to make the water bead lovely and to keep the car looking clean. So that's it. Just thought we'd share this. We've got our great team doing all types of different things. On to the next, we'll carry on, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.